Honorable Vice Chancellor, Honorable TechUp3 Coordinator of RGPV will be joining with all of us in a short period of time. Thank you. I welcome Dr. Kuldeep Penju, Principal, SIPTech, Bhopal.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning to all of you. On behalf of Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, I welcome you all to this teachers training program. In a few minutes, we will start.
आशा सर एक पीजी स्टूडेंट है संदीप पूर्विया, तो सर उसका फॉर्मेट अभी तक हुआ नहीं, तो मुझसे बोला सर करवा दीजिए, तो बोला बेटा आपको आना पड़ेगा।
पैसे फीस जमा होगी?
सर पैसे जमा नहीं हुए सर।
तो कैसे हुए?
जी, तो सर मुझे शाम को उसके पापा से बात हुई थी सैटरडे को, तो मुझे बोला था सर मैं FIR करूंगा।
कर दें
जी।
Kushwa sir, please mute the mic, sir.
हेलो, हाँ मैम। माइक, हाँ माइक। Good morning, Honorable VC sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes.
Chaudhary ji, good morning. So
Yes.
I can give you 4 or 5 minutes because I am on the way
Yes, sir.
to university.
Good morning, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
just you can start your program.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Nitin, just you can start the program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
VC sir will be in few seconds. VC sir will be in his office. Just start the program.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Everyone is requested to mute yourself so that there should not be any disturbance. Please.
Sir, can I start?
Yeah, you can start.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today in this teacher training program on recent advances and application of machine learning and IoT in mechanical engineering. Offered by a joint venture of AICTE and RGBB Bhopal and organized by Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, Gandhinagar, Bhopal. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nitin Kumar Sahu from Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, Gandhinagar, Bhopal. I will be responsible for hosting this training program. I am glad to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Sunil Kumar Gupta, Vice Chancellor, RGBB Bhopal. The guest of honor, Professor S.C. Chobe, Professor Electrical Engineering, UIT, RGBB Bhopal, and Coordinator, TechUC. I also welcome one of the most prominent speakers for today's session, Dr. Kapil Kumar Goyal, Assistant Professor, NIT Jalandhar, who will be giving the presentation on Internet of Things, that is IoT. I would also like to welcome our respected chairman, sir, Shri Sudhir Kumar Agrawal, respected Director, Sagar Group of Institutions, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, respected Dr. Savita Vyas, Nodal Officer, AICTE, FDP, RGBB, respected Principal System, Dr. Keshwendra Chaudhary, respected Vice Principal System, Dr. Swati Saxena, respected B.S. Kushwaha, Administrative Head, SysTech, respected Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Ravi Shankar V. Chaudhary, Program Co-Coordinator, Dr. Rashmi Dwivedi. I also welcome heads of various departments, participating faculty members from different colleges as well as from our college in this teachers training program. Now, as we all know that the time has changed and we also need to little advance in every perspective. The core has its proper value, but it still needs some advancement in the core knowledge with some interdisciplinary applications with a beautiful blend of technology. That's why today we are conducting the 6-day teachers training program titled as Recent Advances and Application of Machine Learning and IoT in Mechanical Engineering, which is sponsored by AICTE in collaboration with RGBB Bhopal and Sagar Institute of Science and Technology Bhopal, one of the leading private institutes in Madhya Pradesh. The primary objective of this program is to provide an exposure of recent trends in IoT and machine learning applications in mechanical engineering. During this program, focus will be on providing the basic knowledge of various machine learning technologies and Internet of Things and practical applications through the interaction with academicians and industrial experts. Now, I would like to request Dr. Ravi Shankar V. Chaudhary, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, SysTech, kindly proceed for welcome. Sir, please. Ravi Shankar sir, kindly proceed.
Ravi sir, please start.
Yes, sir. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Sunil Kumar, Vice Chancellor RGPV Bhopal, Honorable Shri Siddharth Sudhir Agrawal, Managing Director, Sagar Group, Honorable Guest of the Day and Coordinator Equipe 3, Dr. S.C. Chaube, today's Speaker of the Day, Dr. Kapil Kumar Goyal, Assistant Professor, NIT Jalandhar, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, Director, Sagar Group of Institutions, Dr. Keshwendra Chaudhary, Principal, SysTech, Gandhinagar, also the coordinator of this event, Dr. Savita Vyas, Nodal Officer, AICTE, FDP, RGPV, Dr. Manish Pilore, Principal, SysTech Ratibad, Dr. Swati Saxena, Vice Principal, SysTech Gandhinagar, Shri B.S. Kushwaha, Administrator, SysTech Gandhinagar, learned faculty members, all participants, a very good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you to this online event teachers training program on recent advances and applications of machine learning and Internet of Things in mechanical engineering, offering by a joint venture of AICTE and RGPV Bhopal. Machine learning and Internet of Things in mechanical engineering seems to the topic out of the box. Yes, we all know mechanical engineering field is evergreen and will always keep growing. But at the same time, we always know that change is inevitable. We need to move along with the flow. Nowadays, every industry is moving towards automation in one or the other way and is also the need of the hour. We, the mechanical engineers, design and manufacture everything to serve the purpose and to meet the needs. But if we learn to automate it through machine learning and Internet of Things, no doubt we will surely have an edge over others. We will surely have an edge over others, not because others cannot do it, but only a mechanical engineer can do it in a better way because he or she knows the fundamental working concepts of a machine or engine which he or she has designed it. Let me enumerate few of the relevant topics of this 6-day TTP. Here all, we have 25 brainstorming technical sessions. Few of them are perspective enabling technologies and challenges, which is today's speaker. We're going to deliver about this. Industry 4.0 and estimates Third one is anthologies of cyber physical systems, business transformation through smart connected products, and physiologic of intelligent mechatronic systems, and many, many more to follow. We have an excellent line of speakers in this 6-day TTP. I congratulate Dr. Rashmi Divedi, who is also the co-coordinator of this event, for a highly committed hard work to initiate and to invite brilliant speakers to enlighten all of us on this very new area of discussion. Heartfelt gratitude of today's chief guest of the day, Honorable Dr. Sunil Kumar, Vice Chancellor, RGPV Bhopal, Honorable Shri Siddharth Sudhir Agrawal, Managing Director, Sagar Group, Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Guest of the Honor of the Day, and Coordinator TechUp3, Dr. S.C. Chobe. This beautiful event. Dear dignitaries, we all need your valuable suggestions and blessings. Once again, I thank you one and all present here, and have a wonderful full time ahead and very happy learning. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Over to Nitin.
Over to Nitin.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Now, I would like to call Principal Systech, Dr. Keshwendra Chaudhary, to please address the audience. Sir, please.
Okay, thank you, Nitin. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Today's chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor RGPV, Dr. Sunil Kumar, guest of honor, respected Professor S.C. Chobe, Professor and Coordinator, TechUp, RGPV, Professor Savita Vyas, Chief Coordinator, AICTE RGPV TTP Program, Group Director, Sagar Group of Institution, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, Principal Systech Rathibar, Dr. Manish Billore, Principal SIPTech, Dr. Kuldeep Ganju, Vice Principal SISTech, Dr. Swati Saxena, Administrator, Sri V.S. Kushwaha, all the invited distinguished speakers, especially Dr. Pralay Pal and Dr. Kapil Kumar Goyal, all the HODs of the different departments, coordinator of the program, and all the participant and faculty members. I welcome you all in this 6 days TTP on recent advances and application of machine learning and IoT in mechanical engineering. My special thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir for his continuous guidance and effort to make not only RGPV as one of the best university, but also to motivate us for doing good and innovative work for the sustainable development of education, industry, and society. As the part of Industry 4 revolution, the machine learning and IoT has started playing a major role in the area of mechanical engineering domain. These technologies are able to optimize production floors, manufacturing supply chains, unit failure, and much more. Now, it is required by all the mechanical engineers to scale up their knowledge in these areas of emerging technologies. Machine learning based predictive maintenance saves cost and time on routine. It is also useful in airline industry in monitoring efficiency in operation, as delays of even a few minutes can result in heavy loss. The devices in IoT are capable of communicating and transferring data over a network without the need for human-computer interaction. So this will be very much useful in autonomous vehicle and smart cities. 5G technologies will be required for the same, which will work with more data speed. As the thermal engineer, I would say that it will be responsible for more entropy generation and so more disorder in our ecosystem. As an mechanical engineer, it is our sole responsibilities to understand the problems related to unwanted effect and the way to minimize these problems for sustainable atmosphere and happy Mother Earth. I hope in coming all the 6 days, all the participants will be able to create and increase their eagerness to learn more and more about these emerging technologies and broaden their perspective. Entropy is associated with the existence of the universe. So I hope that we all must think and work in this direction also, so that these technologies must be able to work nearly to reversible. Thank you so much. Thank you all the participants, and happy learning.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Director Sagar Group of Institution, Dr. Jyoti Deshmukh, kindly proceed for words of wisdom. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Nitin sir. Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, RGPV Bhopal, respected SC Chaube sir, the professor as well as the coordinator of TechCube 3, Principal Systech Dr. Keshwin Chaudhary sir, Principal Systech Ratibad, Dr. Manish Bilore sir, Dr. B.S. Kushwaha sir, Mr. B.S. Kushwaha sir, all the head of the departments, all the important stakeholders of Systech, Vice Principal Dr. Swati Saxena ma'am, and I would say the important person who have joined here, those who are the guides, mentors of this week-long teachers training program, the speakers of today's events or sessions. One of the speaker has already joined, as I know, Dr. Kapil Kumar Goyal sir, and the attendees of this program. Hearty good morning to one and all present here. First of all, let me start with thanking RGPV as well as AICT for giving us the opportunity to conduct this teachers training program. Because always we thought that, think that the teachers are the backbone of this whole educational system. Although I'm not from the mechanical side, but I can vouch, looking at the industry 4.0 on the onset of it, the role of multidisciplinary approach that should be inculcated in the whole teaching learning methodology, and the role of teacher in this whole scenario. So this topic is very much relevant, I would say, because it actually brings the teachers or the, I would say, the knowledge of institutions like the mechanical engineering, computer science engineering, and electronics and communication engineering. So this is a wonderful topic, and I would say the speakers, I had gone through the whole the itinerary of this 6 days training program, wherein I can see the speakers, they are the renowned speakers from various IITs, NITs, as well as from industry, and they are touching all the different aspects which are very relevant to IoT, machine learning, as well as the role of it in mechanical engineering. So I am sure that this program will be certainly very much helpful for all the teachers who have joined to this training program. One thing I always feel that always there is a mindset of mechanical students that they always speak about the core. Core means like whatever is related to exclusively for mechanical engineering. And then they do not accept the role of computer science, role of AI or IoT or something like that into their domain. So I feel that once our teachers get to know about it, then they can further extend this particular knowledge to the students and help to change the mindset of the students. Because this would be the real success of this teachers training program. Because when you have make up the mind, then only we can make the students' mind accordingly. And then only we can inculcate, nurture this, I would say, mindset of interdisciplinary approach in the upcoming era, I would say, because they will be the first human resource who will actually face the industry. And to make them ready for that change, the teachers will play enormous important role. So I would request that all the teachers should attend this program very sincerely, understand the importance of these two fields into mechanical engineering, and further deliver this message to our students. So that will be the wonderful outcome of this program. Once again, thank you, and congratulations to the entire department. Handing over the session to Nitin Sahu sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your kind words. As we have such an inspiring personality, our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Sunil Kumar Gupta, Vice Chancellor, RGBB Bhopal. He is a living example of talent and humanity. It's my proud privilege to introduce him to our esteemed guest. Dr. Sunil Kumar Gupta is Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi State Technical University of Government of Madhya Pradesh, a technical university with more than 400 affiliating institutions with more than 4 lakhs students. He holds PhD in the field of mechanical engineering from IIT Delhi with a special interest in the field of energy policy. He has also served as Additional Secretary in Department of Technical Education. He has also served as the Secretary of Admission and Fee Regulatory Authority of Government of Madhya Pradesh. He has guided several PGs and PhD scholars. He has more than 50 research papers in various international journals. He has been instrumental in designing various social sector schemes in the field of skill development. He is in the governing board of NITTER Bhopal, IIT Bhopal, and ITM University, Gwalior. He is also chairman of Central Regional Committee of AICTE, dealing with technical education of MP, Chhattisgarh, and Gujarat. Now, I would like to ask our today's chief guest, Dr. Sunil Kumar Gupta, to please address the technocrats with his valuable words of wisdom. Sir, please kindly proceed. Dr. Sunil Kumar sir, kindly proceed, sir.
Nitin sir, probably he has some connectivity issue.
Okay, ma'am. Can we wait for some time, ma'am?
Yeah.
Dr. Sunil sir, we are waiting for us. We are waiting for you, sir.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. I got it logged out. So.
Good morning, sir.
So now can I speak now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So good morning, everybody. Good morning, Jyoti Deshmukh ji.
Principal Sister Kishan Chaudhary, Principal Rajibhar Campus, all the faculty members and all the participants. It's a really great day wherein you people are conducting a AICT sponsored FDP on a very relevant topic. IoT and machine learning, in my opinion, are new tools, and everybody has to learn these tools. And as the name suggests, machine learning, so who else can teach it better than mechanical engineers to the machines? So if it's learning is machine, then one has to think about the mechanical engineers only, because they know about the machine. So how the machine will learn, they can teach them better as compared to other faculty members. So we have to learn the techniques through which we can make them learn. Keswan was talking about entropy, but in my opinion, these tools can help us in reducing the growth of entropy in a much better way as compared to other tools. Because you can appreciate this particular fact, as we are on online as of now, so less energy has been consumed as compared to the physical movement of the pupil and going to the venue of the training and all that. So definitely use of Internet of Things and use of machine learning may help in reducing the entropy increase, and finally we can have more sustainable and more green world as compared to what we are having as of now.
Yes.
So this is a wonderful opportunity wherein we should try to learn these new tools and try to incorporate all these tools in our syllabus in a way that it get integrates and amalgate or get blended in such a way that one cannot differentiate between mechanical engineering or these new tools. So this should be the objective of this particular program. So I wish great luck and great success to this particular program, and I hope the objectives with which it has been granted to the SISTEC Gandhinagar. So thank you everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words.
Thank you, sir, for your motivation and words of wisdom. You always make us encourage with your amazing analogy for future scope in the field of mechanical engineering. Sir, I have a question with Kapil sir. Kapil sir, can we proceed for your session, sir?
Right now, we want to proceed with the session.
Just we can, what is the time that you have given to all the participants? So you have to think about that also.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to go as
I suppose.
yeah, you have to go as per timetable. You should not start it earlier.
Sure, sir. So
Yeah.
we will wait till 11. Then
At 11, or as the participants, if they are interested, we can go ahead as you suggest, sir.
I think sir, some participants may not have joined. So because they will be knowing the time as 11 o'clock. So let us wait for 11 o'clock. That will be better.
Sure, that would be fine.
Yeah. So thank you everyone for participating in this inaugural function, and we'll meet again at 11 o'clock. Thank you so much.
thank you all the dignitaries and all the participants to be a part of this opening ceremony of Teachers Training Program. We will meet at 11:10 for the first session. So thank you very much to all of you. We will meet at sharp 11:10. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.